Today I'm going to make Khabzey, which we use in special occasion like a Losser and festival. So today I'm going to make this. First of thing, so we can pour a bit of water. And you can grate sugar, not necessary to put egg, so we can make without egg. So today I'm going to make a with egg. You can put a bit of oil. Now we want to mix this, and we have to mix it flavor. Of Khapzey. Now you can add the flour. Now it's done very smooth. See here, smooth. So you can cover this for 30 minutes. Now it's almost 30 minutes. So let's see how our flavor goes. Now we'll start to make our Khapzey. So you can make in size of ball size. In a bit of flavor. So you can cut in both of sides here. You can cut in 20 size. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can round. Now you see our oil is heat. Now I'm going to fry our Khapzey. So we have to make this brown color.